This video covers a big software update for the ticket machines on the Malaga Fuengirola train line, which will save money and recycle the ticket. I will leave a link at the end of this episode to the original video on using the train, which is still relevant and goes more in depth. The ticket machines are still the same and in the same location. Once you have your ticket, it's the same as before. Present it at the barrier and take the escalator to the platform. Just a point to take into consideration. This was filmed in November 2022 and masks still have to be worn on all trains and buses. Now let's have a look at the updates. As before, touch the screen to get rid of the screensaver, and choose English by pressing the multi-flag button at the bottom left until the instructions are in English. Next, select the type of ticket you require. In this case, a single one-way ticket. Next, if you have a Renfe or 2 card. Unless you have one of these cards, press No. This is the first of the changes. The card issued is reusable. Do you want to continue shopping? Press Yes. Back to the old destination screen, so input the destination. In this case, the airport. It's given a price of €3.20, which is the same as it used to be. At the top of the screen, included in the price, is a 50-cent charge for the ticket. Click Confirm, select Payment Type, and pay. The ticket and any change will drop below. Use the ticket in the usual way. Now the second change. When you come to reuse the ticket, offer the ticket to the charge point top left of the machine and this screen will appear. Press the recharge button, change to English, select the ticket you require, and offer the ticket to the charge point again. Notice the price is 50 cents cheaper. That's for reusing the card. Now pay in the usual way. Collect your change, and it's easy as that. This episode is just looking at the software upgrade at the ticket machines. For a more in-depth look at using the Malaga Fuengirola line, then have a look at the episode using the train. I will leave a link at the end of this episode. Finally, if you are not familiar with the rail service, put Google Maps on to monitor your location. I hope this was helpful and informative, so for now, adios. And thanks for watching.